Welcome back to an episode of
Mabel's Craft Corner!
Wait, technically wouldn't this be the first episode? Or maybe second? I don't know.
This is the second one we're filming, probably the first one that's gonna premiere. So
who knows?
whatever filming schedule is, but if this is our first episode, welcome to a new series!
If it's our second episode, welcome back! So do you want to explain what we're doing today?
We're making slime. And then it's gonna be glitter glue mixed with glow in the dark glitter glue. So
it'll glow in the dark.
And it'll be glittery and fun.
And it's really easy too. All you need is glue, baking soda, and contact solution.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna be doing two. And let's begin.
So pour half of that into there.
Half into the other one.
Yeah. It's hard to tell when it's half.
This is gorgeous. This is such a pretty color. You sneeze like a kitten.
Alright, I think that's it for me. Looks like I have a lot more than you.
That's okay. Okay, next thingy.
I really want it to glow in the dark. So maybe a 3/4 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 1/4 tablespoon. Or 1 tablespoon of contact solution.
Wait, half a tablespoon of baking soda?
Yeah, but since we have the glitter glue, which calls for...
It's been a long day. I can't think right. Uno. Dos.
What are you doing? Wait. It's... What?
I thought you said half a teaspoon or tablespoon.
Yeah. Oh, so it'd just be... And it's 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon? So it'd be 1 1/2.
Whoops.
Yeah, but just put it. It'll be fine.
That's about a half.
Yeah, that's about a half.
You know what? It's a trial and
fine.
error
It's
kind of
fine.
thing. I'll take
That's how all this is. It's just chaos.
Okay, and how many?
Welcome
How
back
much-
to chaos.
Yeah. We try. Sometimes we don't know how to measure on this show. How much liquids?
1 tablespoon of contact solution.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
For
And
each?
if it's too, and if it's too much, then
You try.
I mean, if it's too sticky, we just add more contact solution.
1. Here we go. My poor contact solution. How do we mix this? Can we use your hands or is it just gonna...
Yeah, it says knead,
Oh, like bread.
like bread, but I'm just gonna use. Oh, that feels so weird.
Oh my god, I love this feeling. Holy crap. It smells weird.
I'm gonna bring it out.
It feels amazing. Oh, this is so nice. I love this. This is my new favorite thing. It's like dripping wet though. Mine is very liquidy.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be this liquidy?
Mine's like sticking to me.
So is mine.
Mine's so much glitter.
Look at, this is a mess. I don't think it's supposed to stick this much. Wait, so what was it? If it sticks?
If it sticks too much, I think it says add more contact
But
solution.
I have like contact solution a bunch at the bottom of this and it's just not mixing in. I'm never gonna get this off of my hands.
But it's fun to play with. See, I thought this would mix so much better in my head, and I thought I was gonna get this like really pretty pink, like
Yeah, it's like
rose
not
gold
mixing at
aesthetic.
all.
Like yours is more pink and mine's more
More
glitter.
gold.
Oh, mine's like kind of coming together. It's so pretty.
Yours is turning out way better than mine.
Also, like keep dunking it in so it can soak up the contact solution.
It looks like a bunch of spider webs. Oh, this is never gonna come off my hands.
So you have like perfect slime at the bottom.
Oh, here we go. It's not sticking as much now.
We just need to knead it more.
I guess so.
See,
So
I
I
like
didn't
this.
add-
Look how perfect this is mixed together.
I this is a really nice color.
Oh, yeah.
And it's definitely more pink than yours is.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Oh, this is awesome. Can I take this on an airplane though? This was like a
Well,
perfect...
is it classified as a liquid?
I don't know.
It's in between states. This is like perfect for anxiety.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I want to bring it to school so when I'm stressed, I'll just take out my rose gold slime in the middle of a test. My professors will be like, what is that?
Oops. Yeah, no, this is really fun.
That's awesome. My mom is a teacher, right? She started teaching 3rd and 4th grade. I'm gonna make her do this with their students. This would be so fun for them.
It'd be like fun for like a science project because it'll teach them about the different states and like how this is in between states of like liquid and a solid form. And look how cool it is.
Oh my god, how'd you get it so thin? What?
You just pull it. I don't know if the camera can catch this.
It's so iridescent. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like this.
I like this a lot.
This was such a good idea. This is so fun.
Yeah, I was picking up glue for our other project that we're doing, and I just saw this and I was like, this is what I'm going to do today. And then I came to the corner with like yarn, pipe cleaners, and like 3 different types of glue. And they didn't question me.
You're probably used to seeing some weird combo.
Yeah.
No, I was. Man, this one time I was working and this guy came in with a sword. Like full-on sterling steel sword. And he comes up to me and he's like, help me make a sheath. What fabric do I use? And I'm like, was it really necessary to bring your whole sword with you? He's like, yes. Yes, it was.
Cosplayers, man.
And he used to like come back in and give me updates about how his like LARP sessions are going.
Oh,
and
like
how,
LARPer. That,
yeah.
They're a lot more hardcore.
He was my spirit animal. The coolest guy I know. I helped him pick out fabric for like a fantasy dinner event. He was supposed to come back in and show me pictures, but I think he forgot. And now it's too late because I don't know how to find him and be like, show me your LARP. I want to go LARPing. Would you LARP with me?
You see, my brother LARPed and he bought a trident. He bought like but it was like a actual trident, like it could hurt people. So like he had to keep the sheath on it.
The perfect weapon? Yeah. Someone threatens you, don't make me break out my trident.
So it's like, people like will come over and my brother collects some like fantasy weapons. So we have like a sword from Barcelona and like all this stuff. So it's just like, he's like, yeah, I can defend the house. He comes with like out with like this 8-foot spear.
This is perfect. It's no longer sticking to my hands.
Yeah. Oh.
And it feels really nice.
You should get a shot of this. I'm like obsessed.
That's awesome.
This is so fun to look at.
I love, okay, this color is like my new favorite color. This is gorgeous.
I'm telling you, pink and gold. I have a dice set that's like that and I love it.
I want a rose gold dice set. Maybe that's what I'll do to get close-ups. Look at that! Oh my god. Okay, I gotta get close-ups. This is so cool.
See if they glow in the dark.
Oh, see if the slime glows in the dark?
Yeah, if it doesn't, I'll be so sad. I'll just... I mean, it looks pretty in the light, but is it pretty in the dark?
Well, let's go in the basement and find out. Let's go. Okay, we're on our way to the basement. Let's go down in the light and then we'll flip it off and we'll see. It may need to be, like, sit out in the light first. My basement's a wreck. Please ignore. Okay, do you want to hit it off?
Yours is kind of glowing.
Is it? My camera's not picking up anything. So the camera didn't really pick it up, but it did glow in the dark and it was super, super cool.
Probably needs more sunlight.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking.
Yeah.
What are you jumping rope with it?
Honestly, it's fun. It's fun to play with, not to eat. It's not Play-Doh though. I don't know, it's just like...
This was a great idea. So I'm gonna say this craft, major success. Well, 10 out of 10 recommend to all your friends.
Alright, we'll put the link
Oh,
in the description below. This is a super fun craft, and if you like get nervous tics or have anxiety, this is also amazing.
Yeah.
Or just like a sensory thing.
it like cracks too when you knead it. Like, and I kind of like the noise.
Just, or if you're like a huge ASMR person, you're just like
Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle.
crinkle. Welcome to my
This is so great.
Just
And it's so, like, it's 3 ingredients and it's so easy. Oh, wait. I see. Oh, I love this. Okay, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for joining us.
Join us next time, or maybe the time before this, while we try to tackle pumpkins.
Yeah, we're in between that. Not sure how it's going.
Yeah. So go check out that video if you haven't, and also check out all of Mabel's social media links. They will be down in the description box.
Thank you so much.
Bye. This was a success.
This was.